Spreading and branching is the name of our project. In the beginning, we were told to observe nature. Everything that we see and observe from outside could be branches, could be leaves, could be anything small, even like fallen leaves off a tree or things. We were supposed to analyze it, write about it, and bring it into lesson to discuss about it. This was all in preparation for our group work, where we were put into groups and told to create a program based off what we've done from nature. And we're supposed to prepare for it by mind maps and storyboards, and told to give 2 words. Our 2 words are self-replicating and branching. Our project, Hydra, based off the mythos of cutting off one head, 2 more grows back, started to look at how something can grow, a single thing, and branch out into many different ways. It spreads. Our first idea was to create a London interactive underground map. How, like any organism, grows, how it's been growing and branching out for over the years. Unfortunately, we were unable to do this, so we had to think of a new idea. So we created our storyboard. In the beginning here you can see where we've created our mind map, started to cut out pieces, and all the storyboard here shows all our work. This is hopefully how our end project looks like. And what end project was to create one object and let it multiply infinitely. We started looking at particle effects, splitting one object and making it many. We went back to sketching, looking at what things, how it comes from sources and how it branches out into many different locations, like rivers and ponds. And this was our end result. Similar to what we did before, we created one object and made it split and branch out. When it starts to fall, it will break apart and it will start to scatter and be guided into different locations, and it will go on endlessly. But we wanted to also evolve it. So we looked into nature back again, and we looked into lightning, and we saw how it begins from a source and spreads and branches out. So we went to Photoshop and created a lightning texture, and we programmed a single light to basically make it spread and branch out in the shape of our old project as well. And so you'll see that from a single point, the lightning just branches out and spreads into different locations and chaotically. And that was our project of how we basically made something branch and spread from a single place. Thank you, and this is our project. Thank you very much.